So the equation that we have been given is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. We compare it with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 5 and d is equal to 2. So in this case, when it's a cubic polynomial, if there are 3 roots, then minus b by a is equal to the sum of the 3 roots, alpha plus beta plus gamma, which basically is this, and c by a is equal to ये दो करके लेके उनका सम करना, एंड माइनस डी बाई ए, देखिए क्या फॉलो हो रहा है पैटर्न, माइनस बी बाई ए फिर सी बाई फिर माइनस डी बाई, दैट इज इक्वल टू अल्फा बीटा गामा. First of all, let's check if these three are the roots indeed. How do we check? We put it in this equation. So 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2, which is 2 into 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2, which is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 minus 5 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 5 by 2, which is 2 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 2 equal to 0. So this is definitely the root. Then we put 1 in it. So 2 into 1 whole cube plus 1 whole square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 0. So this is also one of the roots. Then we put minus 2 in it. So 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus minus 2 whole square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. So 2 into minus 8 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2. So minus 16 plus 16, which is equal to 0. So all three are equal to 0, which means all of them are the roots. Now let's check for these. Okay, so let's check the first one. So minus, what is minus b by a? Minus b by a is equal to, from here, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and alpha plus beta plus gamma क्या होगा? Alpha is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 plus 1 plus minus 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So these two are equal. So this gets verified. है ना? Then we look at c by a. C by a is equal to minus 5 by 2, and we have 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1 by 2. ये दोनों कट के minus 1 हो गया. Minus 1 minus 3. So 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 1. So minus 1 and a half minus 1, which is minus 2 and a half, which is minus 5 by 2. तो ये भी verify हो गया. Then we have alpha beta gamma. So d by a. D by a in this case is 2 by, sorry, minus d by a is minus 2 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. We have 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1. 1 by 2 into 1 into minus 2, right? So this is basically equal to minus 1. तो ये दोनों भी हो गए, तो ये भी verify हो गए. So all the relations have been verified. Now the next question that we are looking at is x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. So let me write this over here. X cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. And we are looking at 2, 1, 1. Okay? So let's put 2 first of all. Let's put 2. So 2 whole cube minus 4 into 2 whole square plus 5 into 2 minus 2. So 8 minus 16 plus 10 minus 2. So this is equal to 0. So this is a root. Then we have x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. So 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So this is also verified. Then we have, again, one is verified, one is verified. Now let's look at minus b by a. In this, b is minus 4, so minus b by a will be minus of minus 4 by 1, which is 4. This should be equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. 2 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4. They both are equal. Then we look at c by a. C by a is equal to plus 5 by plus 1, which is equal to 5. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2, which is equal to 5. Then we'll have minus t by a, which is equal to minus of minus 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. We have alpha beta gamma is equal to 2 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 2. Hence verified.